So this is our box that had our 5 babies in it. We cleaned out the nest last time. Today we're stopping back in. I saw mom and dad fly away from it. And you can see in there, they're back at it. They got 2 eggs right now. One of them sitting up there on the power line. I don't know where the others went right now, but they will be back. This is our wren nest here. She just flew out. Probably not real happy with me, but we're gonna look real quick. Hopefully you can see what's down in there. We'll see how that came out. We saw a wren go out of this house too, so we're just down here real quick to check it. We're gonna do our best to get this camera in there so you can see. Checking out our cherry trees real quick. These are dwarf and they were bought from Stark Brothers.